Attention! Hut, 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 hut. Okay, everybody. Today, you call that a fallen? Hey, what? Teddybear, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be training Teddybear Squad player. Ha! I was taking a break anyway, but I thought it was a competition, you know what I mean? But it seems I was wrong. Teddybear Squad DEEK is pitiful. Or paid. Pitiful. Hey, that wasn't really nice. Oh yeah? If that's the case, then we'll challenge you to a Nerf war. Oh, you are so on. We'll meet you in the training room at exactly 100 p.m. Okay? Huh. You probably won't be there. You're just too scared. That guy really gets on my nerves. Okay, Teddybear Squad DEEK. Yes? Lock and load. Okay, everybody, does everybody have their weapons? Sir, yes, sir, we are ready with our weapons and we're ready to kick some Teddybear Squad players' butts. Good. Now, let's go. Okay, this is where it ends, guys. We will prove to Teddybear Squad pair that we will be the best. Yay! And there's our enemy. Okay, here's the plan. Got it? Sir, yes, sir. Let's do this. Whoa! Huh, if you're gonna be like that, then this battle will be won before it even starts. The battle will start! Quickly! Go, 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 go! Hut! I see Teddybear E! Whoa! Ha ha! Whoa! Whoa! That was close! Oh no! I'm hit! Bear down! Bear down! I got this! Ha! Hey, Sergeant! He's really bad! It's really bad! Okay then, it looks like I will have to step in. Can you cover me some time? Time? Yeah, you got it! Quickly, go! Cover me! Whoa! Oh no, this is really bad! I'm gonna... I'll save you! Huh? Teddybear D! Phew, I didn't die. Yeah, thanks. I really needed the help. Now let's take on that Teddybear R together. Oh no, I'm outnumbered. Quickly, go to defense position B. Oh no! Oh no, the other Teddybear E is down. What? There's a sniper. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that guy is really irritating. Huh, I got a grenade. A grenade? Grenade! Huh? Ha, that took care of it. Yay, my plan actually worked. There's only 2 of them left. It's just the Teddybear R and the Teddybear Sergeant M. Really? Charge! Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was really close. I forgot, that guy has a big gun. What do we do? At this point, I really want the sergeant's help. Let's take out Teddybear R first. No, Teddybear E. Cover me, I got this. Okay, I'm okay, Teddybear E. Oh, my head hurts. Teddybear, you will pay for this. Where's the sergeant where we really need him? It's been an honor serving you. Well, Teddybear Sergeant Hatred. It's an honor to be with you. No, Teddybear E. There's nobody left to stop me! Haha! What? Where did you come from? Huh? No! There's no ammo! Oh no, the sergeant! Sir, you wanna... Hands up! Oh no! So, now how do you want to settle this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Yeah, wood! Yay! So what do you want to say to me, Sergeant M? Thank you, but we still have to kill the sergeant. But where is he? I don't see him anywhere. Ah! No! Sergeant! Who shot that? Who shot that? Who? No! It's... You're gonna pay for what you did to my recruits. I didn't do anything! It's all the sergeant's idea! You already killed him! You don't even kill me, right? Nah,